Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join Telegram private channel without invite link. Well, it's not very tough to join a Telegram private channel link without an invite link. You can do, but the only thing you should have a name, or you should know that what channel you want to get joined, right? So for example, there is a channel. I will show you how to do it. So first of all, we will just go to the Google browser here, and here in the browser we will type here https then the two dots and slash t.me, right? And again you have to put a slash here, and basically you should know that the username of the channel, the server you want to join over the Telegram. For example, let's say that cheese, right? And I'll just hit the enter, and once I hit the enter you can see that I'm able to join this server. So here I can just send a message and then I will able to join it. I can also open it over my laptop or PC or over my Telegram application. So this is how you can join Telegram private channel without a link, and I hope you found this video very useful.